Welcome. If you're tired of seeing that little badge count pop up on your Snapchat icon, especially from memories, you're not alone. Those notifications can build up quickly and feel a bit overwhelming. The good news is, you can easily turn off app icon badges specifically for Snapchat memories, and it only takes a minute. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your device controls live, so once you're in, you're on the right track. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows every app installed on your phone. From here, find and tap on Snapchat. It might take a second to locate, especially if you have a lot of apps installed. Once you're inside the Snapchat settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage exactly how Snapchat alerts you. Now, look for notification categories and tap on it. This part is important because Snapchat separates different types of notifications, giving you more control. From the list, find and tap on Memories. These are the notifications that remind you of past snaps, stories, or saved moments. Finally, you'll see an option labeled App Icon Badges. Simply toggle this off. That's it, you've just disabled the badge count for Snapchat Memories.